Saint Lucian pumpkin and white bean soup. A main dish from Saint Lucia. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the oil in a large saucepan and add the onion, celery, garlic, chili pepper, and ginger. Step 2. Sauté over medium heat for about 7 minutes. Step 3. Add the pumpkin and sauté for 3 minutes. Add the seasonings and sauté for 1 minute more. Step 4. Add the water and simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 5. Stir in the kale and white beans and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Step 6. Ladle the soup into bowls and serve hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.